continue. Keep going. Yeah, keep going. Okay, ease off. Yeah, continue. Yeah, they're gonna go there and you can go. Yeah, go on. Yeah. Continue. They can go there.
So this
Just
is my
keep
lane,
left.
so I can
Keep left. Yeah. We're going and look, this is your lane, it should go, but then also sometimes if there are coming, if there's no space, then stay away. Okay? Yeah, continue. Keep left. Yeah, and then keep going. Yeah. Yeah, speed up. Keep left. Continue. You got space. Just keep left. Go slow. That's it. Keep going. You got plenty of space. Keep going. You could have gone a bit faster. Yeah, continue. Yeah, continue. Both has plenty of space. Continue. Speed up. Look, you got plenty of space. Okay? Continue. Keep left. Probably go a little slow. Keep left. Yeah, this is still good space here. Continue. And then turn left after the black car. So at the end of the road, turn left, please. Slow down, slow down. Keep left. Yeah. You're going towards the junction. At the roundabout, going straight ahead, second exit. Slow down, brake. Yeah. Can you go? Yeah, go on. Why are you considering cars on the left? You should only consider cars coming from the right. Okay? If they're going straight, like we waited for 2 cars that wind, isn't it? Okay? Second car, third car, they're going straight. Okay? So just continue. Left. Easy. You can try and avoid pothole if you can. So keep left, and at the roundabout, you're going to turn left. Next road left, okay? Slow down. Oh, sorry, it's a junction, not a roundabout. My bad. Keep left. More left. More. Slow down. Okay. Don't go into the water, okay? Yeah. Especially if there is a person next to it, okay? Do go slow if you can go slow. Also, we don't know what's underneath the water, isn't it? There could be a big hole in it, pothole in it, okay? So try and avoid it if you can safely. at the end of the road, turn left, okay? Probably signaled a bit early, isn't it?
Yeah.
Slow down, slow down, slow down. Yeah. Can I go?
Yeah.
Let's go. Okay, you turned a bit wide. Okay, slow down, stop, stop. Look ahead. If you go there, okay? Yeah,
So
let's go,
yes.
let's go. Okay, hold on. Let's go. Look, the vehicle in front did not realize that she's got another, or he's got, I didn't see the driver, another 2 cars behind him. If you continue going, you're gonna have to stop in that little space, okay, where you can't still go because there are another car, okay? See, the 3rd car actually moved a little inside so that he can go, but by that time you already stopped, okay? Not you, I actually made you stop. So why creating a congestion in a congested area? Okay, you stay here, allow them to go, and then you continue. Okay. Yeah. Slow down, and then steer right, and continue. Keep going. Continue. And at the roundabout, turn left, please. Good, continue. So mini roundabout, turn right, please. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Go slow. Yeah, and then keep right. Okay. So approach slow. Okay. Look on your right.
Yeah.
Okay. Clear? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Continue. Steer. Yeah. Continue. Okay. Continue. Okay, so this is how you should approach a roundabout. Okay, you should not go really fast towards roundabout because it's not safe. Okay, the speed limit would be like between 10, 12, maybe maximum 15. That is the maximum. Okay, it depends on the visibility on your right, isn't it? Okay, how much you can see. If it's really closed, you go slow. If you can see quite a lot, go a little bit faster, but then again, approach roundabout slow. Look on your right, and don't just keep looking. It's a glance, okay? You look, and then you look ahead, and then you look again, and then you look ahead, okay? And at the roundabout,